High quality is a must for anyone who loves cooking, whether you're a home chef or a professional. As demand for durable, non-stick, and versatile pots and pans grows, finding the perfect set can be overwhelming.
This guide reviews the best.
This extensive 17-piece Cuisinart set offers everything you need for a fully equipped kitchen. Made from hard anodized aluminum, it ensures superior heat distribution and long-lasting durability. The non-stick interior makes cooking and cleaning effortless, while the tempered glass lids let you monitor food without losing heat. Riveted stainless steel handles provide a secure grip and stay cool on the stovetop. The variety of pots, pans, and utensils included makes this set a versatile option for preparing everything from everyday meals to gourmet dishes. Ideal for serious home chefs, it combines functionality, performance, and style, making it one of the best all-in-one cookware solutions on the market. Calphalon's 10-piece cookware set is designed for durability and performance. The hard anodized aluminum construction ensures even heating, minimizing hot spots and preventing food from burning. Its long-lasting non-stick coating allows for easy food release and quick cleaning, making it a favorite for busy kitchens. The set includes essential pots and pans, each with ergonomic handles for a secure and comfortable grip. Oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It offers flexibility for a wide range of cooking techniques. The sleek design complements modern kitchens, while its sturdy construction guarantees years of reliable use. Perfect for home cooks seeking quality without the bulk of a larger set. This collection strikes a balance between practicality and performance. List number 3. The Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized 17-piece set delivers durability and innovation in one package. Its non-stick coating is reinforced with titanium, ensuring long-lasting performance and easy cleanup. The signature thermospot indicator shows when pans are perfectly preheated, helping to achieve flawless cooking results every time. Riveted handles and vented tempered glass lids add comfort and safety. With a wide variety of pots, pans, and accessories, this set covers all your cooking needs, from sautéing to simmering and everything in between. Dishwasher safe and oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it combines convenience and quality, making it an excellent choice for home chefs who want professional results without a hefty price tag. List number 4. This 21-piece carote cookware set stands out for its modern white granite finish and comprehensive selection of cooking tools. The eco-friendly non-stick coating is made from natural materials, offering a healthier cooking experience with minimal oil. Its die-cast aluminum construction ensures even heating, while the elegant design adds a premium look to your kitchen. The set includes frying pans, saucepans, stock pots, utensils, and more, making it a complete solution for any cooking style. Handles are designed for a comfortable grip, and the non-stick surface ensures hassle-free cleaning. Perfect for those who value both aesthetics and functionality. This carote set blends beauty and performance for everyday cooking excellence. List number 5. Carote's non-stick pots and pans are designed for convenience, style, and durability. The set features a natural granite non-stick coating that's eco-friendly and scratch-resistant, ensuring long-lasting use. The die-cast aluminum construction guarantees even heat distribution, preventing uneven cooking and hot spots. Lightweight yet sturdy, these pots and pans are easy to handle while maintaining excellent performance. The ergonomic handles stay cool, making cooking safer and more comfortable. Easy to clean and suitable for various cooking methods. This set is ideal for home chefs who value simplicity without compromising on quality. Its elegant design and reliable performance make it a great addition to any modern kitchen.